After creating a quilt label, putting designs together, making your own creation, you're probably going to want to save it. So in this video, we're going to show you how you save a design either to the machine or a USB stick on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Brilliance 80. So go ahead and make your creation, maybe put it in the hoop size that you are probably going to stitch it in, and you know it's not too big. And then when you're ready to save, you're going to look for the pink icon in the lower left corner, the one with the cloud and the heart. So at this point, when you save it, if you just want to save it to the machine or to your cloud, if you are logged in to your My SewNet, you can go ahead and give this a name. So it says new design, so maybe you want to go ahead and type in happy birthday. I'm going to just put happy for a second. Here we go, happy, and then touch OK. So if I want to save it on the machine, it has been saved somewhere. I will show you how to retrieve it. And let's just save it on the USB stick also named happy. So just go ahead and touch it. All right, so where did it actually go? So I'm going to delete this off the screen. Delete all. Yes, I touched and held the trash can. All right, so if you want to access your designs that are on your cloud or in the memory of your machine, and I have quite a few in here, so I might be scrolling down. It's not in a folder. It is a loose design because that's how I saved it. And it is in alphabetical order, so I might have to scroll a little bit, but I'm looking for happy. There it is. If I want to see that that was the actual picture. Oh yeah, that one, there it is. Again, I can touch and hold. So the nice thing is that it does keep all your parts and pieces separated, I mean it doesn't lock it together. So if this had happy birthday Jennifer and you wanted to change Jennifer to the next birthday person, all you'd have to do is touch the name or the date, maybe if you change your date each time. And then with it highlighted, you can go ahead, touch edit, and it will let you change the letters in that area. So it is still editable once you have saved it even to your machine. Just need to know to select the one item that you want to change, touch edit, and change it to what you want. And then you could resave it if you want. So then you have that birthday name ready to go for next year. If you want to delete things, you can come back in here, I'll just choose the USB stick because that is a little easier to find. There's the happy birthday. Let's say I want to delete it off the stick. I can touch the trash can and it will ask me, do you want to delete it? And I'll touch OK. So that'd be like cleaning up your files if you're no longer needing it at a later time.